When it comes to warm weather pests, wasps might be the most dreaded. If you've ever been stung, you know the pain they can cause. For those who are allergic to them, it's even more important to keep them at bay. Luckily, there's a hack that can help, and it doesn't involve any harmful chemicals. Spearmint essential oil is a proven deterrent for wasps, and as an added bonus, using it can make your outdoor space smell heavenly. Peppermint oil has been found to be effective in repelling wasps, but only when used in certain ways. For example, it's most effective when used as a spray rather than as a liquid or solid. When sprayed, the oil creates a barrier that wasps find unpleasant and will avoid. There's been several studies showing spearmint essential oil showed significant repellency of wasps. Of course, if you have a swarm situation or a large nest that's already been built, it's better to call a professional to handle it. If, however, you're just looking for a deterrent before something serious happens, spearmint is just the thing. To use this DIY hack, all you need is a spray bottle, some spearmint essential oil, dish soap, and some water. Add several drops of the essential oil and dish soap to the bottle, and then fill the remainder with water. Shake until combined, and then spray your solution in areas where wasps have previously created nests, or in areas where you think they might. Not only will this trick deter wasps, but thanks to spearmint's potent smell, it'll also make your porch smell incredible. Keep the solution on hand, shake it up, and refresh the area every few days, and you'll have a bright and clean-smelling porch with no wasps. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests using baking soda. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.